See, you can't get caught up in the prime ministers because you have to understand they don't run anything. They are the puppets. The people that's running the planet is this shadow government, which the shadow government is ran by Reptilians and Pleaidians. These are extraterrestrial races. These are very intelligent races that are sitting behind the scenes controlling society. All right, so the main ones that's running this society that we are in are the Alpha Draconian Reptilians and the Pleaidians. They are your shadow government. They give orders to the 12 tribes, which are the rich human beings who you never see. So the rich human beings give orders down to the secret societies, who give orders down to the banking families, who give orders down to the prime ministers and the presidents. So this is a chain of command. So this is why on the surface it looks like white people are running the world, but behind the scenes it's really black people running this shit because they are the evil ones that are controlling all the bullshit. But you got, remember, when we talk about Zeus, Zeus is an Anunnaki god, which Satan is an Anunnaki god, and those are black people. That's us. That's us. So it's us fighting us. It's us versus us. That's why I want to bring the attention back to who the spiritual war is actually against. All right? These human beings were created by Lord Zeus. They were created by Satan, right? To conquer and control us. But all of the human beings are not bad. You have good ones and you got bad ones. You got good Caucasians, you got bad Caucasians. So a lot of the bad ones are the ones that's in charge, but they receive their orders from these fallen extraterrestrial races, particularly on this planet, the Pleaidians and the Reptilians, who receive their orders from Lucifer, which is a fallen angel, who receives his orders from Zeus, a.k.a. Satan, which is the fallen god, right? So you have to get a chain of command so you can know who you're up against. And if you understand that, then you understand everything that's going on around you. So now that brings us to what's going on with Trump. Okay, on the outside of us, a lot of us, we just see Trump as another Caucasian. Failing to realize that you have a race of aliens called the Pleaidians, and they look like regular Caucasians. Pale skin, blue eyes, blonde hair. Right? Well, you also have another race called the Alpha Draconian Reptilians who are running this planet. The Reptilians are able to shapeshift, so they can shapeshift into any Caucasian and walk around amongst you. The Pleaidians don't have to shapeshift because you would think it's a regular human being because you have been lied to about the different species that exist, right? So when we see Donald Trump, we think this is a regular human being. A lot of people don't know that Donald Trump is not a regular human being. Donald Trump is actually a member of the Pleaidians. Okay, so he's an extraterrestrial. Donald Trump, just like JFK, he was sent down to the planet to infiltrate what's going on within Satan's kingdom. All right, just like the government, the police do. Right, if the police want to infiltrate a drug ring, they're not gonna walk up with their badge and their gun on. They're gonna send an undercover in that looks like a local drug dealer in the neighborhood, because then that drug dealer is able to get close enough to that drug outfit and penetrate it and find out the inner workings of it so that they can take the ring down. That's why you have informants. Okay, it's the same thing going on cosmically. It's a cosmic spiritual war we're in. So the Pleiadians, you have the good ones and the bad ones. The bad ones actually have branched off, and they have formed what is known as the Brotherhood of Light, or the Ashtar Command. This has been spoken of by many people. I'm not the first one to speak about the Brotherhood of Light or the Ashtar Command. These are basically your bad Pleiadians, your evil ones, right? And those are the ones that's on here on the planet. But then now you also have your good ones that have infiltrated, and they were able to infiltrate because they made the evil Pleiadians believe they was just like them. When in actuality, they are part of the good Pleaidians that was sent into the planet to help raise the vibration and put an end to the satanic rule on the planet. We're all working together, the gods, Pleiadians, certain extraterrestrial races, the angels, to fight against the fallen. Because remember, you got angels, you got fallen angels, you got the extraterrestrials, you got bad ones, you got gods, you got fallen gods, right? All this was due to the split with the war that broke out in heaven. All right, so Donald Trump landed on this planet way back in the 1800s. Then in that same vehicle, which we say is his body,